Today, we're going to dive into the magical world of Disney World Orlando, and we'll be focusing on all the fun, excitement, and family-friendly activities you can enjoy there. So, buckle up and let's get started. Disney World Orlando is a dream destination for families, and it's no wonder why. With its vast array of attractions, it's a place where everyone can find something to enjoy. From thrilling water rides to enchanting shows, there's no shortage of fun to be had. One of the most iconic water rides at Disney World Orlando is the Splash Mountain. This thrilling adventure takes you on a journey through the classic Disney movie, Song of the South. You'll encounter a variety of characters, including Brr Fox, Brr Bear, and even Brr Rabbit. And of course, you'll end your journey with a splash into a 50-foot drop. Another exciting water ride is the Kali River Rapids. This thrilling adventure takes you on a whitewater rafting trip through a jungle filled with waterfalls, rapids, and even a few animals. It's a wild ride that's sure to get your heart pumping. If you're looking for some family-friendly fun, the Tomorrowland Speedway is a great choice. This classic attraction lets you hop in a car and take a spin around the track, just like a real race car driver. It's a fun and unique experience that's perfect for families. And let's not forget about the thrilling roller coasters. The Expedition Everest is a must-ride attraction. This wild roller coaster takes you on a thrilling journey through the Himalayan mountains, complete with a Yeti encounter. It's a thrilling ride that's not for the faint of heart. Of course, Disney World Orlando isn't just about the rides. It's also a fantastic destination for foodies. The parks offer a variety of dining options, from quick-service restaurants to sit-down meals. And if you're staying at a Disney resort, you'll have even more options to choose from. When it comes to accommodations, Disney World Orlando has a variety of hotels to choose from. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a luxurious stay, there's something for everyone. And don't forget about the Disney Dining Plan, which can help you save money on your meals. And finally, if you're looking for a ride to pick up your luggage, there's a convenient service called Bell Services. They'll pick up your luggage from your hotel and deliver it to the airport, making your travel experience even smoother. And that's a wrap for today's Disney World Orlando adventure. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more exciting travel content. Until next time, safe travels.